So, this your number one girl, moviestar.b, you know, brands and beauty's world, your number one entrepreneur, beauty hall. We're gonna run a haul on all these designer beauty brands. What you like? Chanel, Tom Ford, Saint Laurent. Let me know in the comments section. You guys, this was a little snippet of a haul. So we'll be definitely doing designer beauty brands. So please do subscribe so you'll be able to see my newest video. In other words, I hope to see you there soon. Brands and Beauty's World. So you guys, I know you saw my clip. I hope it was well overwhelming for you. And you know, I just finished working out, so just enjoy the glow. I can't excuse me for this frizziness, but I got you guys. So be here, okay? Before you do that, please do subscribe to Brands and Beauty's World, and we're gonna keep giving you these designer beauty brands. Okay, now I'm gonna show you this picture here. Because before you choose Tom Ford and Chanel eyeshadow, you need to know between quality. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you this picture and I'm gonna show you the price actually. So take a look at this. Let me pull this up. Okay, and then I want you to see the other picture of the Tom Ford. And we're gonna see that. Pull that up. Get that up for you. And then after that, I want you to see the two different prices. And I want you to see exactly how they look together, then otherwise than what they don't look like. Because we know that these are pretty much the same, similar. Okay, get this for you right, guys. Bear with me. I'm so welcome to be here. Don't everybody sound like that on their new YouTube channel? Okay, so I got a surprise for you. And I hope you see these two pictures.
So this is actually the whole format. I actually said $37 for Tom Ford, but it's actually $47. That was the Chanel that I meant to say.
Actually, what did I say? $37. And the Tom Ford is a more powder paste eyeshadow. So basically, we're gonna look at the two differences. The Chanel is actually the luminous, and it actually has luminous sparkles. Oh my god, I was about to say sprinkles. On there, and it's pretty much the both same. So we're gonna look at the design and the quality of these both of these. So I happen to have them here, and I want to show you. So this is the box, the little boxy. And this is the Chanel right here, as you can see. So if you see that, I have that for you. And then I have the Tom Ford. Okay, so this is actually the same. So you need to look at the quality. I don't know what you guys figure, like if you rather save and get the lower one, or you rather look for quality. But either or, they're most likely both the same. So here's the Tom Ford. Open it for you guys. As you can see, this is the cap, this is the bottle. This one does not come with the applicator, the Chanel does. Okay, and this is Chanel again. I'm gonna open this one. And as you can see, you guys, this is all the same. This is the same thing. So either or is what you like. If you like, you said you like cream, if you like cream, if you like luminous, you like luminous, if you like sparkles, you like sparkles. That's up to you, but they're both the same, and they're usually, Tom Ford is a usually more expensive brand in anything that you buy. So this is why, but as you can see, I'm gonna put both of them. Look at that, both the same amount, not even 1 ounce different. So basically, we all been there. We all want Chanel, Tom Ford, everything. But the whole thing about this is that you're getting the same thing. It's nothing different, it's nothing better. So I don't know which one you guys would choose. Link in the description, comment down below, and actually see which one you will prefer. The same thing, just a more luminous sparkle to it. And since I'm here with you guys, it wouldn't actually be a beauty haul if we could not choose and we could not see what it looks like in the light. Okay? Oh my god. Okay, so I have an applicator. The Chanel one does come with one, but the Tom Ford doesn't. So let's see. I'm just gonna put some on for you guys so you can actually see the difference. And this one I'm putting on first is Chanel. Okay, I hope you guys can see it's luminous, of course, cream. Okay, and ooh, it is Chanel designer authentic. But it's absolutely gorgeous. But I'm gonna show you the difference on how to choose. Okay, so I'm gonna get my eyelash. And this is how designer gets everyone. But can you choose? Now, I'm going to try the Tom Ford one. I just want to clean my brush off. Oh, it's beautiful. It's glowing. Okay, now, this is the Tom Ford. And remember I said it's a more powder paste, but we're getting the same thing. Ooh, you see, this is a more powdery, but you can see it. Oops, I made a mistake. We'll clean that up. So I just want to give you guys an example. Okay, so we know that it's not fully blended, but just get in there. So please do subscribe to Brands and Beauty's World so she can keep delivering these gorgeous designer brands to you. Okay. So that's it. As you see here, it's almost the strictly same. Like, it's no different. So this is how you're gonna choose. You're gonna choose by knowing what you like, knowing which one you want to buy. And you guys, I happen to have more of these, so please do. The link is in the description. Go to brands&beauty.com, and we got some more coming for you. But as you see, it's, oh god, they're both the best. So you guys, this was a short video of how to choose from Tom Ford and Chanel eyeshadow. And my suggestion, I believe that you can choose whatever you like. Designer brands is the same thing you're getting, you're just paying for the name. So please do tell me in the comments which one you would prefer. But for me, I would choose both. And until then, you guys, I was more than welcome, happy to be here with you. Don't have that much time to be here with you, which I would want to be, but I can't. So until then, next time, please do subscribe so I can continue to come